Picture this. You land in your dream destination, but your bag never shows up at baggage claim. It's a nightmare millions face every year. From high-tech gadgets to simple tricks, you'll turn your suitcase into a fortress. Ready to travel stress-free in 2025? Let's dive in. Here's how to become a travel genius and never lose your luggage again. Hack number 1. If you travel with checked luggage, this is the single most important thing you can do to protect your belongings. Lost bags are a nightmare, and it happens more often than you think, even at the world's best airports. But there's a simple, affordable solution that can save you hours of stress and frustration. Put a tracker in your bag. Seriously, this is non-negotiable if you want to travel smart. It's a tiny investment that can make a huge difference. For just a few bucks, you can pick up a Bluetooth tracker, like the Apple AirTag, Samsung SmartTag, or Tile. These little devices are small, lightweight, and designed specifically to help you keep tabs on your stuff. Once it's in your bag, you'll know exactly where your luggage is at all times, anywhere in the world, right from your phone. Whether your bag is still at the departure airport, stuck in transit, or already on the carousel, you'll have real-time updates at your fingertips. If the airline misplaces your bag, you're no longer powerless. Instead of waiting anxiously at baggage claim or relying on vague updates, you can show the airline staff the exact location of your bag. This can speed up the recovery process and give you a sense of control. If you use an iPhone, the AirTag is your best bet. It integrates seamlessly with Apple's Find My app. For Android users, the Samsung SmartTag or Tile are excellent alternatives, each with their own easy-to-use apps. Setting up your tracker is quick and painless. Just pair it with your phone, give it a name, like checked bag, and hide it deep inside your suitcase. The whole process takes less than a minute, and you only have to do it once. Don't just toss it in an outside pocket where it could be easily found or removed. Instead, tuck it into the lining, slip it inside a sock, or hide it among your clothes. The more discreet, the better. This tiny gadget is your secret weapon against lost luggage. It gives you confidence and peace of mind, knowing you're always one step ahead. For the price of a coffee, you're buying yourself security and saving yourself from potential travel headaches. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind on every trip. Don't wait until your bag goes missing to wish you had one. Order a tracker online before your next flight and make it a permanent part of your travel routine. This is step 1 to becoming an expert traveler. Don't skip it. Your future self will thank you every time you breeze through baggage claim with confidence. Hack 2. Make your bag stand out so much it's impossible to mistake for anyone else's, and so unique no one else would ever want to claim it by accident. Picture this. You're at the airport, the carousel is spinning, and every bag looks exactly the same. Black, navy, maybe a dark gray if you're lucky. It's a sea of sameness, and everyone's squinting hoping they grab the right one. But not you. Ditch the black suitcase. Go neon, go wild, lime green, hot pink, banana stickers, whatever makes you smile and makes your bag impossible to miss. The bolder, the better. Think of your suitcase as a blank canvas. Cover it in wild patterns, slap on some reflective tape, or even paint your initials in giant letters. The goal is to make it so eye-catching it's almost embarrassing. If you're stuck with a boring bag, don't worry. You can still transform it. Add bright straps, wrap a neon belt around it, or tie a crazy scarf to the handle. Stickers, patches, duct tape in wild colors, anything goes. The more unique, the less likely someone else will walk off with it, even by mistake. The goal is instant recognition. You want to spot your bag from across the room, and you want everyone else to know it's definitely not theirs. No more awkward moments at the carousel, no more accidental grabbers. Your bag is unmistakable, but don't stop at just looks. Upgrade your luggage tag to something sturdy, waterproof, and hard to rip off. Or take it up a notch. Use a QR code tag for privacy and easy contact. These tags let someone scan and instantly get your contact info without exposing your details to everyone. Companies like DynoTag or PingTag make this super simple. You just set up your info online, and if your bag gets lost, the finder can scan the code and reach you directly. It's high-tech peace of mind. And here's a pro move. Always put your contact info inside the bag too. Print it out, write it big, and lay it right on top of your clothes. If your tag gets ripped off or lost, airline staff can still find you. This backup step is a lifesaver. If your bag goes missing, you want every possible chance for it to find its way back to you. It's a simple trick, but it works. All these layers, wild decorations, sturdy tags, and inside contact info, make your bag loud, proud, and unmistakably yours. You'll never waste time searching, and you'll never worry about someone else grabbing your stuff. No more mix-ups at baggage claim. Make your suitcase unforgettable. The weirder, the better. Let your bag be a conversation starter, a travel companion, and a security measure all in one. This is your bag's new identity. Stand out, stay safe, and travel with confidence, because your suitcase simple moves dramatically cut your risk. Don't leave your bag's fate to chance. Be proactive, not reactive. Outsmart the system. Travel like a pro. Assume the worst. Your checked bag is lost. No panic. You packed a survival kit in your carry-on. Always include at least one full change of clothes, essential medications, and toiletries you can't easily replace. All valuables and electronics, laptop, camera, chargers, stay with you. Bring a portable power bank so your phone never dies during a crisis. Keep all important documents, passport, visas, hotel info, in your carry-on with digital backups. Your carry-on is your lifeline for the first 48 hours. If your main bag vanishes, you're still ready to start your trip. No stress, no delays. This hack turns disaster into a minor hiccup. Be prepared, not stranded. Your carry-on is your insurance policy. Never check your essentials. Travel smart. If your bag is lost, don't panic. There are clear steps you can take to get compensated and minimize the hassle. Lost luggage is more common than you might think, but knowing what to do can make all the difference in getting your money back. Act fast. Go straight to the airline's baggage office as soon as you realize your bag hasn't arrived. Don't leave the airport without reporting the issue. File a property irregularity report, also known as a PIR, right there at the counter. This is the official record of your missing bag and is absolutely essential for any compensation claim. Make sure you get a copy of the report and a reference number before you leave. This paperwork is your golden ticket to reimbursement, so keep it safe. Without it, the airline may refuse to process your claim. While your bag is missing, airlines are required to cover the cost of reasonable essentials. Think clothes, toiletries, and other necessities you need to get by. Don't go overboard, but don't hesitate to buy what you truly need. Save every single receipt for anything you purchase because of your lost bag. No receipt means no reimbursement, so keep them organized and handy. Take photos of your receipts as a backup in case you lose the originals. If your bag is officially declared lost after a few days, you're entitled to a much larger settlement. For U.S. domestic flights, the maximum compensation is up to $3,800, but this can vary by airline and destination. Be sure to check the specific policies for your route. Before you travel, take a clear photo of your packed suitcase and its contents. This simple step can be a lifesaver when proving what was inside your bag, making it much easier to claim the full value of your lost items. Don't forget to check your credit card benefits. Many travel credit cards offer lost luggage coverage that can be even better than what the airline provides. Review your card's policy before your trip so you know what's covered and how to file a claim. File claims with both the airline and your credit card company if needed. Sometimes you can get reimbursed for different expenses from each, maximizing your compensation. Be thorough and follow up if you don't hear back quickly. Know your rights as a passenger. Each airline and country has different rules, so read up on your rights and act quickly. Keep all documentation, including boarding passes, baggage tags, and correspondence with the airline. Don't let the airline off the hook. Be persistent, polite, but firm. If you feel you're not getting what you're owed, escalate your claim or contact a consumer protection agency. With the right steps, you can turn a travel headache into compensation. Stay organized, know your rights, and get what you're owed when your luggage goes missing. Your phone is your travel command center. Download your airline's app and enable notifications for real-time flight and baggage updates. Many apps now track your bag's journey. Know instantly if it's on board or delayed. If your bag is missing, you'll know where to start looking. Can't get help at the airport? Go nuclear, tweet the airline. Social media teams respond fast to public posts. Include your flight, bag tag, and report number. A direct, polite tweet can get you answers faster than waiting on hold. Use technology to stay ahead. Your phone is your VIP pass. Don't travel without it. Hack 8. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you're traveling with someone, split your clothes and essentials between both bags. If one bag is lost, you both still have what you need. Use packing cubes. Assign colors to each person for easy sorting. Put a copy of your travel itinerary inside each suitcase. If a bag gets separated, airline staff can forward it to your next hotel. Cross-packing turns a disaster into a minor inconvenience. Simple, smart, and effective. Don't risk everything in one bag. Share the load, share the safety. Security matters. Use a TSA-approved lock. These locks keep thieves out but let airport security in without breaking your bag. Look for the red Travel Sentry logo. Combination or key, pick what works for you. A locked bag is a visual deterrent. Thieves move on to easier targets. If TSA needs to inspect, they relock it after. Don't use non-approved locks. They'll get cut off. Protect your belongings and your suitcase. It's a small investment for big peace of mind. Register your bag with the airline before you fly. Some apps let you add details like color and brand. If the tag rips off, your bag is still identifiable in their system. Always double-check the destination code on your bag tag at check-in. One wrong code can send your bag to the wrong continent. Premium passengers may get RFID tracking. Opt in if available. 5 minutes of prep adds a digital safety net. Be proactive, not passive. Make your bag a priority in the airline system. The only 100% foolproof hack? Don't check a bag at all. For trips under a week, carry-on only is totally doable and liberating. Your bag never leaves your sight, and you skip all the baggage claim drama. Pack light, use cubes, and wear your bulkiest items on the plane. You'll breeze through airports and start your trip instantly. It's a mindset shift. More freedom, less stress. Try it once and you may never check a bag again. No risk, no waiting, no lost luggage. This is the ultimate pro move. Travel light, travel smart. Experience true travel freedom. There you have it. 10 hacks to make lost luggage a thing of the past. Remember, get a tracker, fly non-stop and early, and always pack a carry-on survival kit. These 3 alone will save you from 99% of luggage disasters. Which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more travel tips. Travel should be about adventure, not anxiety. Thanks for watching. Now go travel like a pro.